If you're trying to activate your Straight Talk SIM card, this video will walk you through everything, step by step. Method 1. Activate online. Open straighttalk.com/activation in your browser. You'll see options to activate your service. Under Select your device type, choose 1. Straight Talk phone, if you bought it from them. Bring your own phone, if you're using an unlocked device. Make sure your SIM card is inserted into your phone before continuing. Step 2. Activate your phone. Now you'll be asked, do you want a new phone number or keep your current number? You'll see 2 options. I want a new number, or I want to keep my number. Step 3. Enter your device details and account info. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone IMEI number. You can find this in Settings, About Phone, or by dialing *#06#. After entering your IMEI, click Continue. Now, you'll need to log in to your Straight Talk account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create a new account using your email. Once logged in, you'll continue to the next step to select your plan and complete activation. Method 2. Activate by phone. If you prefer, you can activate your SIM by calling customer support. Dial 1-877-430-2355 and follow the instructions. They may ask for your SIM number and IMEI, so keep those ready. After activation, restart your phone and wait for the signal to reconnect. Important tips. Keep your old SIM active if transferring your number. Don't cancel your old carrier before activation completes. Activation usually takes a few minutes, but number transfer can take a few hours. If mobile data isn't working, text APN to 611-611 for automatic setup. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it. 2 simple ways to activate your Straight Talk SIM card. You can do it online or by calling support. If this helped, drop a comment and hit that like button. It really helps the channel.